Hello friends, welcome to Sunny Cyber Explore. In ethical hacking or cybersecurity practice, we have to type large commands, write code, or learn about many terms and commands. So AI helps a lot in all these areas. If we get AI support on our terminal, it will not only make our work easier, but also increase productivity. And we will also get to learn more. So today I will show you how to use the DGPT. So open your Kali Linux and go to Firefox. Then search here https://github.com/andrew/dgpt. Then hit enter. So we can see this is the GitHub account. So when you scroll down here, there are some commands. So using this, you will be able to use AI chatbots on your terminal, right? And that too without API keys. So it supports all these services and providers, and you can use them inside it. So here simply go to installation section and we can see there are some commands. So simply copy this first command, then open your terminal. Then here paste that command. So Ctrl+Shift+V, then hit enter. So here we can see it detects the your operating system, that means a Linux. So your processor also, so AMD 64. So you detect like this. Now here we need to type your Kali Linux operating system password. So type your password, then hit enter. Then we will see install successfully. Now we can use it here. So simply we can type DGPT-H. So when you press enter, you can see there are multiple options, right? So these are the commands how we can use this like that. For DGPT, within the quotation marks, we can give our query, right? When I type -s before the query, then it will show a single line command. So when I enter $-img, it will give images format. So these are the all service providers: Olama, OpenAI, Sky, Gemini. Now we can ask any query from it here. So DGPT, we need to write this command DGPT, then within the quotation marks your query. For example, what is internet? Then hit enter. Then it will give answer. So it will give so much information. So the internet, okay, and then this is the definition of the internet. And when you scroll down here, so core technical foundations in the internet. So layer, what it does, key technologies are this. So physical layer, data link layer, network layer, IPv4 transport layer, application layer. So it will give layers formats. So reference model. Then second, how the internet works, more than just Wi-Fi. So this AI gives almost everything. And also, suppose if you want to install any tool in this Kali Linux, then simply we can ask this. So DGPT, so within the quotation marks, how to install Python Kali. So then hit enter. Then it will show you how to install Python in Kali Linux. So now here we can see. So it will give each and every command, that to explanation also. This is the process, main process, how to install Python. So first we need to update the packages in our Linux. Then we can write this command, some of explanation of those commands. Then second, add Python. This is optional. So like this it will give. And also you can ask any command explanation. So DGPT explain about a clear command. So it will give the detailed answer for that command. So this means the clear command does not erase the history of commands or scroll back buffer the way of real, kill all the history. So just simply wipe the visible area. So erase the entire screen. So this is a script for that. And also I will try another command, explain about pip command. So we can ask any command here. So just I tried only those commands, some commands. So why pip? So the name pip is a recursive acronym, pip install packages, right? So some of basic operations, requirements. So it will give in-depth explanation also. So in-depth explanation, commands, script, examples. advanced options. So like this, it will give everything about those queries. If in case I want to just a single command, then simply tgpt -s space in within the quotation marks, I want to clear the screen, then hit enter. So here we can see, so it will give a simple command, that means clear. So and also it will ask execute shell command yes or not. So if I enter yes, then it will clear the screen, or else we can press on n, then it will not execute. If in case we select y key, then it will remove the entire screen. Wait, I will show you. So when I enter y, then hit enter, it will clear the whole screen, right? And also we can try tgpt -s. One more example, create a bash script. When hit enter, then it will give some of basic bash script, right? So this is a basic bash script. So script name is myscript.sh. So in that script, so there is a shebang line, and here your script, then execution command, execution permission, then it will run that script. And also we can try tgpt -s in within the quotation marks, make a folder with Sunny Cyber Explore name, then hit enter. So here we can see a simple command mkdir in between, so in between within the quotation mark, it will give a folder name. So when I press here y, then it will execute that command. So simply we can see by clicking ls command. So see Sunny Cyber Explore, this is the folder by executing this command. And also we can try tgpt -s. I want to remove the folder with Sunny Cyber Explore, then hit enter, it will give that command. If I enter y, then it will remove that folder also. So simply here when I press y, then hit enter, then we can see there is no folder with that Sunny Cyber Explore name. So these commands works like this. So if in case we are doing large and complex programs, then this AI will definitely helps you. Then if in case I want some code about any topic, for example, let's say Python code to school management system. So for that I use -c. -c means code. So space within the quotation marks, write a Python code on school management, then hit enter. See, this is the code. So it gives a large and complex program because school management system is not simple. And also simply we can tgpt -c, write a Python code for multiplication or addition. Okay, for addition, then hit enter, then it will give simple and basic program. See, simple and basic program. So a and b variables, then it will give addition, then the main function. And also we can one more thing, tgpt -m, then hit enter, it will give a basic multi-Linux support. So Control D to submit, Control C to exit, escape to unfocus, I to focus, when unfocused, press P to paste. If I copy this script, then here explain the below code, then hit enter, then Control Shift V. So especially this command used for large and complex prompts. Okay, type your command here, Control D to submit. So simply press on Control plus D, then it will submit to the AI. See, it will give explanation of that program. Here is a step-by-step walkthrough of what the script does. Okay, Python def. So it will give each and every line full detailed explanation. So here we can see function, the __ name, what it called, a built-in attribute. So here try command, float or float command. So like this, it tgpt -m, this command gives more and more explanation about long prompts. And also we can see different AI models here. So here we can see AI chatbots terminal for free. So Go, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Golang, Terminal, AI, Chatbox, Llama. So these are terminals for free. So go to terminal again. So it will ask again a new prompt. So simply here we can see Control C to exit. So simply press on Control C. It will exit from that prompt. So if in case if you don't know how to use those commands in this TGPT, simply TGPT -help, then hit enter. It will give some of commands. Okay, so we can test out this one also, and DuckDuckGo provider. So wait, I will try this one. Sometimes it will work and sometimes it will doesn't work. In case I will try this command and hit enter. So cat install.sh. So there is no such file directly in this operating system. So simply I can create that nano install.sh, then hit enter. Then in this I will try some command, then /bash, then hit enter, then echo within the quotation marks, then save this one. Then now again I will try this code. Now here we can see this is the explanation of that bash script is the main line, that means a shebang line, and here we can see echo Sunny Cyber Explorer. This is the echo command. It will give explanation of that command. So finally the text Sunny Cyber Explorer is a string literal. So bash prints exactly this is the output. So it will give output also. So we can try this command like this, and also on this is an OpenAI key. So if in case we have any premium subscription of OpenAI, then by using API key, we can simply generate these images, videos, and some of GIFs also from this terminal. So again, I will try this one. If in case it will work, then no, okay, or else hit enter. So here you can see invalid provider because this service was declined. But okay, anyways, this TGPT within the question marks and query, it will work, and it will also work, and this one also work, this final one. These are enough as a cybersecurity student, because many of students only use some of explanations, commands, and some of basic bash scripts, right? For that, this AI model is best. If in case we have any doubts in this session, comment below. See you in the next video.